This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. While not exactly new, but this latest tablet from Samsung is packed with features that are perfect for productivity, entertainment, and everything in between. So let's check it out. So this is what you get inside of the box. Other than the tablet itself, the S Pen is included. Then there's the USB-C cable, the SIM ejector pin, as this is the 5G variant, and the book cover keyboard. Now first of all, let's dive into the specs in case you did not know what this baseline Galaxy Tab S offers, where it starts with 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, where I went with the 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, as I wanted more RAM and storage for the heavier workload on this tablet. And this configuration also allows me to include the book cover keyboard as well. Then as for the screen, it comes with a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, which gives you an ultimate viewing experience with a more accurate colors thanks to the color volume feature. It has great true black and a more realistic colors with a high contrast ratio of 1:1. Then it has the enhanced eye comfort with 70 to 78% less blue light on the dynamic AMOLED 2x on dark mode. Then as for the audio, even for a baseline model, this sound is really excellent thanks to the enlarged quad speakers by AKG with Dolby Atmos support. Now these speakers are about 20% larger compared to the previous Tab S8 series, so it gives a richer and more immersive audio experience. Then durability is also another strong point, as this Galaxy Tab S9 is the world's first water and dust resistant IP68 certified, something that a lot of other competitor tablets does not have. It has a rigid frame with armor aluminium designed to withstand bumps and shocks, and when it comes to the water resistance, it can last up to 30 minutes under 1.5 meters of clear water. And what's great is that the S Pen is also IP68 rated as well, so that was really nice to know. Next, let's talk about the experience, and in this tablet's case, specifically the connected experience. Now firstly, you can use the tablet as a second screen with your Galaxy or Android devices, and this feature is super handy for multitasking, whether or not you're working on a project or just watching a movie while browsing the web. Now you can use the tab as a second screen with the screen mirror and the wireless projection, where you can use the screen mirror and the screen expansion feature to seamlessly transfer files to other connected Galaxy devices as well. And of course, this makes it very versatile for professional and personal use, as you can write and draw on the tablet and share it immediately with other devices connected to the same Google account, so that was really cool. And with the multi-window layout, you can actually work and video chat at the same time. Then one of my favorite connected experiences is the multi-control, where you can control your smartphone using the tablet's keyboard and the touchpad as well. And this is a game changer for productivity, because you can easily navigate between both your phone and your tablet, opening and typing messages and emails, and dragging and dropping pictures, making your workflow smoother and way more productive. Then let's talk about Galaxy AI, because what's lovely is that all of the Galaxy AI features that are mentioned in the S24 series, which I've done in-depth reviews on that, so do check it out if you guys haven't done so. All those Galaxy AI features are all working over here, but on a tablet format. So let's run through all the features in case you haven't seen on how exactly it looks like on a tablet form, and of course it can also be an overall recap on the features just in case it is your first time hearing about this, as some of them are very unique on a tablet. Now first is the widely used feature for everyone, which is the circle to search. So imagine you're reading an interesting article or just watching a YouTube video, and if you come across a term or an image that you want to learn more about, just press and hold the virtual button at the bottom of the screen, and then just simply draw a circle around the text or the image on your screen, and the tablet will instantly search for more information on the thing that you have circled. So it's like having a mini search engine right at your fingertips without leaving what you're doing. Then Chat Assist is also a very widely used feature, where if you want to express yourself on a particular tone, Chat Assist lets you choose from 5 different style tones, where this way you can ensure that all your messages comes across exactly how you intended without taking too much time on rewording all of your sentences. Then for any TLDR situations on the Samsung browser, the Galaxy Tab S9 can summarize and even translate the content for you, making it easier to stay informed very quickly without any language barriers. Then Transcript Assist helps to automatically convert voices into text, labeling different speakers, and even summarizing and translating the conversation. And since the tablet has high quality mics, it does an even better job compared to using a smartphone, which is way more accurate when it comes to labeling different people. Then the next feature is amazing on the Galaxy Tab S9 because if you enjoy taking handwritten notes on your tablet, you will love this. As the handwritten auto-spacing and alignment organizes your handwritten sentences to make sure that they are neatly spaced and aligned, so this will make your notes look more professional without any extra effort. Then auto format comes in clutch where if you wrote some unorganized notes or ideas, this feature can transform your messy text into a well-structured document with title, paragraphs and sections as well, where it's just like having a personal editor where it tidies up your writing instantly. Then this very unique feature is something that I really wanted to try on a tablet, where if you're working on a document with mixed languages or if you need to refine a piece of writing, the summarize and translation feature will not only translate the content but also give you correct spelling and provide concise summary, making everything more polished and very much accessible. Then the next feature is a little more on the image side of things, where imagine if you take a great photo but the background is a bit off alignment. Once you have adjusted the image to the right alignment, the background fill feature can fill the background very seamlessly. And of course, this enhances the overall quality or the appearance of the photo once you have adjusted the right alignment. Then if you want to resize a particular object on a photo, it's going to be very easy with this object recomposition feature. And in case it needs to fill out the background areas, it will autofill to fill up the areas as mentioned earlier. Then the edit suggestion feature gives an instant editing tips to enhance the photo's quality, making sure that you get the best out of every shot. And I find it extremely handy, especially with this tablet format. Then finally, Super Slow-Mo was really amazing when it comes to creating slow-mo videos even if you shot it on a normal speed, as Galaxy AI will help you to generate additional frames based on the movement, so it will give you a smoother and a more impressive slow-motion videos. So in conclusion, the Galaxy Tab S9 is indeed a very powerful tablet that is perfect for anyone who is not only looking to enhance their entertainment experience, then now with Galaxy AI on a tablet form, it makes productivity even more amazing. Where it starts with a retail price of 3,699 ringgit, which is about 784 USD, depending on which variant and combination that you're going with. And do let me know what you think of this Galaxy Tab S9 in the comment section below. Is this the best Android tablet out right now, especially with Galaxy AI? Let's discuss it over there.